Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about carbon and its compound. This is chapter 4 for class 10. Okay, so first of all see, this was carbon and its compounds. So chapter is carbon and its compound. So some carbons, okay, then this one is carbon, this one carbon, and atomic number of carbon is 6. Then atomic number of carbon is 6. So atomic number of carbon is 6. Now mass number, mass number is 12. Okay, mass number is 12. So all of you know these isotopes of carbon. There are isotopes of carbon. There are 3 types. That means 3 kinds of isotopes of carbon. So first one, see, carbon 612. You have learned in class 9. Okay, so 6 carbon 612, carbon 613, and carbon 614. These are isotopes of carbon. Okay, so this superscript, this superscript is called mass number. Okay, this one is mass number. This one is called mass number. Okay, mass number. And this one is downside, this is subscript. This subscript also called, this one is what? Atomic number. 666. Okay, so this one. So this atomic number of carbon is 6 and mass number of carbon, this one is 12. Okay, now I'll discuss about only mass numbers carbon. Carbon 612, this one I will discuss. Okay, so see, according to electronic configuration, so according to Bohr model, then electronic configuration is what? Suppose this one is what? This one is nucleus, first shell, second shell, then first shell, second shell. The atomic number of carbon is 6. That means this is number of proton equal to atomic number equal to electron number. Only for neutral atom. Okay, this number of proton equal to atomic number equal to electron number only for neutral atom. Understood? So this is 6. How many electrons are present in carbon? In carbon compounds or carbon elements, how many electrons are present? There are 6. Okay, 6. So this in first shell, how many electrons are required? There are only 2, and here 4. So 4 plus 2, then 6. Okay, this one is electronic configuration. So electronic configuration of carbon is like this. In K shell, this one is called K, this one is L. In K shell, how many electrons? 2, and L shell, how many electrons? 4. Okay. Then L shell, this is valence shell. Now you can represent that valence shell electrons. Okay. How many electrons in valence shell? How many electrons in valence shell or outermost shell? This one is called valence shell or outermost shell. Okay, this outer shell is called this valence shell or outermost shell. Here in valence shell, how many electrons are occupied? 4. So this one is valence electrons. How many electrons are present in carbon atom? In valence shell, how many? This one is 4. Okay, now see, you can represent. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss last, okay, this part. This part is according to Lewis how to represent a dot, Lewis dot structure. Okay, so first of all, this organic compounds. Okay, this definition you have to know. What is organic compounds? The compounds of carbon are known as organic compounds. The compounds of carbon are known as organic compounds. The one example, say methane, CH4, CH4. This one is called methane. This one is called methane. Methane. And another one, C2H5. Sorry, C2H6. This one is called ethane. Okay, this one is called ethane. Methane, ethane, like this, propane, butane, pentane, like this. Okay, these all are organic compounds. The carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so now we have to see that one, that hydrocarbon. Okay, actually organic compound, types of organic compounds. Types of organic compounds, there are many types. The types of organic compound, see, first is hydrocarbon, haloalkanes. First one, hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Second, this one is types. Types of organic compound. First one is hydrocarbon. Second, haloalkanes. Second is haloalkanes. Third, alcohols. Fourth, aldehyde. Fifth, ketones. This one is haloalkane. Third, alcohols. Aldehyde. Fourth, aldehydes. Fourth, aldehydes. And fifth, ketones. Fifth number, ketones. And sixth number, this one is carboxylic. Carboxylic acids. Okay, carboxylic acids. This one is carboxylic acids or organic bond. So types of organic compounds. The types of organic compounds, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many types of organic compounds? There are 6 types. First is hydrocarbon. First one is hydrocarbon. Second, haloalkane. Third, alcohol, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic. Okay, so see, hydrocarbons means only hydrogen and carbon are present. Okay, hydrogen and carbon. Say methane. This one is example, hydrocarbon example. Say haloalkane. Halo means that one. This group 17. All of you know group 17, also called halogen group. Also called, this one is halogen group. So you have to know that mnemonic. This mnemonic is your फिर काल बाहर आई आरती. So फिर काल बाहर आई आरती. This is mnemonic, special mnemonic. Okay, this one is halogen. Okay, then haloalkane. Say this one CH3Cl. This is one example. Okay, haloalkane. And alcohols. See this one OH. This OH is called alcohol. Okay, this is alcohol. Functional group. Aldehydes. This one CHO. This is not minus. This one is bond. Okay, this one is bond. This one also bond. So bond CHO. Bond CHO. Or the last one is also not last second, ketones. You can write on CO. This one. Okay, like this. This one is ketone. Or you can write like this, C double bond O. This side. This one is bond. This one bond. This one bond. This one bond. I will discuss. Okay, this one. So how to, which one is bond? Sigma bond, pi bonds. Okay, delta bonds, like this. And carboxylic acid, COOH. This one also COOH. This one is carboxylic acids. So let's I discuss this only hydrocarbon part first. Okay, hydrocarbon first. After that, haloalkanes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid. Okay, so this one. Now, what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means combination of hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbons. Combination of carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbon. So before I discussing, you have to see. First, see this one is this one carbon carbon single bond. See carbon carbon single bond. So carbon carbon single bond. This one is single bond, also called sigma bond. This one is called single bond, or also called sigma bond. Okay, this one is carbon carbon. This one is carbon carbon single bond. Then this is sigma bond, and it is represented by like this. It is represented by like this. You can write like this. Like this. This one is sigma. This one is sigma. Now, then carbon carbon double bond. If carbon carbon double bond, this is double bond, then one sigma bond is present and another pi bond. One sigma bond is present. Then this one is sigma bond. Sigma bond. This one is sigma bond, and another one is this one is what? Pi bond. Pi bond, or you can write like this also. This one is pi. Okay, pi bond. This one is what bond? This one is pi bond, and this one is sigma bond. You can write like this, sigma. Okay. Now, if carbon carbon triple bond, in carbon carbon triple bond, how many sigma bond and how many pi bonds are present? So how to find out? See, you have to know this one is carbon 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 triple bond is there. Okay, carbon carbon triple bond. Then how many sigma bonds? There are only one sigma bond. Which one? This one. This one is sigma bond. Okay, only one sigma bond. This bond is sigma bond. Sigma bond. This one is sigma bond, and this one and this one is called pi bonds. This one is called pi bond. This one and this one. This one and this one. So this is pi bonds. In carbon carbon triple bond, how many bonds are present? Carbon carbon triple bond, how many bonds? There are two pi bonds and one sigma bonds. Two pi bonds and one sigma bonds. Okay. Now see overall how to represent like this. See, now I'll discuss this summary. Okay, now see, then if carbon carbon single bond, this one is called sigma bond. If carbon carbon double bond, here one sigma one pi. If carbon carbon triple bond, here one sigma two pi. Here one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Here one sigma bond and one pi bond, and here only one sigma bond. Okay, so these are the bonds: single bond, double bond, triple bond. Single bond, so this one is called sigma bond. Double bond, one sigma bond, one pi bond. If triple bond, one sigma and two pi. Okay, now this one is hydrocarbon. What about hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means combination of hydrogen and carbon. This one is called hydrocarbon. Hydro, that means hydrogen, and this one is carbon. Okay, hydrogen and carbon. This one is hydrocarbon. So let's one example. See, CH4. Okay, this one is called methane. Okay, methane. This one is called methane. Okay, see, now you can split this name. How to split? See, meth plus n. So meth plus n. Meth means 1. Meth means 1. See, in a compound only one carbon is present, then this one is meth. If in compounds only 2 carbon are present, only 2 carbons, if 2 carbon, then this one is eth. If 1 carbon, then meth. So let's discuss this one. See, meth. In this compound, this is methane. In this compound, how many carbon? 1 carbon. So this one is meth. And plus n. How to came here n? See. If carbon single bond, then this one is n. Now this one is suffix name. Carbon n, single bond n. If carbon double bond in. If carbon triple bond, then this one is ine. Okay. So carbon single bond, then you can call this one is n. Carbon double bond, this one in, and carbon triple bond, this one is ine. Okay. Now you can write that structural formula. In structural formula, how to write? Like this: C bond. Okay, this one. Like this. This is structural representation. This one is what? Structural representation. Okay. Now here. So each single bond, how many electrons are present? Each single bond. See this one. In this single bond, how many electrons are present? Only 2 electrons. Only 2 electrons. See, 1, 2, like this. So this one is 1 bond. So here, how many electrons are present? Here, 1, 2. Here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So each single bond, how many electrons are present? There are 2 electrons are present each single bond. So how many single bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 4 single bonds. That means 4 bonds. 4 bonds. How many bonding electrons are present in this compound? How many electrons are present? Bonding electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 bonding electrons are present. Okay, 8 bonding electrons. So this one is methane. Now how many sigma bonds? How many sigma? If question like this will come, how many sigma bonds are present in methane? Then how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. How many bonds are present? 4 sigma bonds. Okay, 4. So this one is hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons is 2 types. Okay, one is saturated and unsaturated. Okay, before I discussing saturated and unsaturated, first of all I discuss this one is Lewis dot structure. Okay, this Lewis dot structure. This one important, Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. The Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. The Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure, how to write? Lewis. Okay. Lewis dot structure is nothing but this one representation of outermost electron. The outermost electron you can represent. Suppose you have sodium. Okay. The sodium. the atomic number of sodium is 11. Now electron configuration, you have to see electron configuration according to Bohr model. In first cell, suppose this one is nucleus, first, second and third. Okay, in first cell how many electrons are occupied? 2. Second cell 8. Third cell 1. So Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure nothing but outer cell, nothing but you can represent that outermost cell electrons only. Okay, how many electrons are present in outermost cell? You can represent only. This one Lewis dot structure means outer shell electrons you can represent. See now in outermost shell how many electrons? Only 1. So this one. So this one is Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure, like this. Okay, Lewis dot structure and electron dot structure. Say one more example. See Mg, magnesium 12. Magnesium atomic number 12, that means this is neutral atom, and this one if atomic number 12, that means number of proton also 12 and number of electron also 12. Okay, only for neutral, and this one is neutral atom 12. So 2 8 you have to write. Okay, in outermost in outermost shell how many electrons are present? There are only 2. Then you can represent like this Mg 1 dot 2 dot. Okay, this one. So this one is Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. Say another example, suppose aluminium. Suppose aluminium. So atomic number of aluminium 13. Atomic number of aluminium is 13. Okay, atomic number of aluminium is 13. So 2, now here 3. 2 plus 8. So 2 plus 8, then 10, 11, 12, 13. In outermost shell how many electrons are present? Only 3. Only 3. Then see, in outermost 3 electrons, then 3 dot needed. 1, 2, 3. So this one is Lewis dot structure. Okay, suppose you have carbon dioxide. Okay, now one more example. This one is carbon dioxide. Suppose carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen. Okay, carbon, you can write oxygen this side, right? Here also one oxygen. Okay. Already downside is enough, I think. See, carbon, oxygen, here also oxygen. So atomic number of carbon is 6. In outermost shell how many electrons are occupied? The outermost shell how many electrons? See, according to Bohr model, in K shell 2 electrons and L shell 4 electrons. Like according to Bohr model, can I rough this one? Wait. Then suppose Bohr model, you have to see this one is nucleus, first shell, second shell, in 2 and 4. This one for carbon. How many electrons are occupied in outermost shell? How many? 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, so this one is for carbon. Now for oxygen, atomic number of oxygen, then atomic number of oxygen is 8. So 8, the first shell 2 and second shell 6. So how many electrons are occupied in outermost shell? Okay, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one also oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this. So this one is called Lewis dot structure. This one is called Lewis dot structure of carbon dioxide. Okay, this one is Lewis dot structure of carbon dioxide. This one, understood? So one more example. Suppose methane. Now it's organic compound is methane. CH4. The CH4 is methane. Now carbon, you can write like this. Carbon, hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. No? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 hydrogen. Then how many carbon in outer shell? How many electrons are present? Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And hydrogen atomic number is 1. Only 1 electron. Then right, this one is hydrogen electron. This one hydrogen electron. This one hydrogen electron. This one hydrogen electron. So this one is Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. Okay. The next video I will discuss again this part, another examples. Okay, like saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon, how to represent by Lewis dot structure.